Hello, have a good day. My name is Maria Riza Ramos Umbanya from Mapanay, Alicia, Isabela, Philippines, 29 years old, and I'm happily married with 3 kids. I have 2 sons, 2 years old and 6 years old, and my daughter is 8 years old. And my educational attainment is college undergraduate, and my hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and singing. I work as a housemaid in our Philippines as of 3 years. I serve one couple and 2 children, and the age is 32 years old and 35 years old, and 3 months old baby and 5 years old children. My duties are cooking, cleaning, marketing, washing dishes and washing clothes, and especially the taking care the newborn baby and 5 years old children. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is my dream place, and I want to help my family and to my future, to my kid, and I'm willing to take good care the newborn baby, elderly and toddler, and I know how to sing the nursery rhyme like Baba Black Sheep, had you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame. One for thy little who that lives on the lane. And to my future employer, please choose me as your housemate. I will love and take good care of your family, and I treat you my second family, and I will do my responsibilities and my duties. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.